Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. So in this session we will learn about introduction to Hybris. So let's get started. So below are the topics which will be covered as part of this video. So there are total 7 topics. I will list it down now. The first topic is what is Hybris? The second topic is what does Hybris focuses on? The third one is why do we use Hybris? Fourth one is competitors of Hybris. The fifth one is history of Hybris. Sixth one is what language is Hybris written in? And the last topic is latest version of Hybris. First topic of discussion is what is Hybris? Hybris is nothing but e-commerce platform which allows its consumer to sell products in both B2B and B2C markets. So in simple term, it is nothing but e-commerce platform with product content management software. So this is nothing but the Hybris. For example, we have Flipkart and Amazon in India. So let's open and see how does this e-commerce website look like. So this is one of the e-commerce website wherein we have fashion, electronic, home, appliances as the category. So under this fashion, again we have subcategories, that is men's topwear, men's bottom wear, women ethnic, women western. Again with this we have subcategories. Here you can see on hover of this, right, again you can see all the subcategories over here. So let's take one example. Let's click on men's t-shirts. So here you can see this is a search page wherein you can see all the men's t-shirts page over here. So if you click on any of the product, we'll be landing into the product details page. So this is the page where we can see all the product details, where we can see the sizes here: small, medium, large, XL, double XL, and the seller details, and whether we can put a pin code over here and see whether this can be delivered to our place or not. And also you can see the price over here. So this is nothing but the runtime price. So Hybris give the flexibility to change the price dynamically. So based on the discounts and all, right, this price will keep updating. So in the runtime itself we can change the price. So this flexibility can be is given by Hybris so that we can leverage it. And also you can see the product details here. So basically this is how the e-commerce website look like. So in this e-commerce website, once we finalize our product and if we wish to buy, we can click on add to cart button, and then it will take us to the checkout page. In the checkout page we can apply the vouchers and then we can place this order. So this is how the e-commerce website look like. So now our second topic is what does Hybris focuses on. So the Hybris mainly focuses on sales, marketing, services, and then e-commerce. So let's go one by one. In sales, Hybris helps to process customer details and allows sales team to better target what customer wants. In simple terms, it is something like it will target what exactly the customer needs. So this is what is done in the sales part. So the next one is marketing. So Hybris captures the analysis of customer behavior done in the real time. So in the simple terms, it will capture the user behavior throughout the sites and suggest based according to that. So this is what will happen in the marketing. So the next one is services. In the services, Hybris provides customer engagement for coming back strategies and keeping them engaged. So in the simple terms, we can say it will keep the customer engaged with the sites. And the last one is e-commerce. So Hybris provides omni-channel commerce solution, which will be easy channel communications for B2B and B2C applications. So when I say omni-channel, we need to understand there are different types of channels. And then it will be easy to understand what exactly is omni-channel. For this, let's understand the different types of channels. So the first one is single channel, multi-channel, cross-channel, and then omni-channel. So in single channel, basically what we do is we visit the physical store and then buy a product. So this is called single channel. And for the multi-channel, we browse a product in a website, and then what we do is we visit a store and buy it. So this is called as a multi-channel. We can take example of Pepperfry or Urban Ladder websites, wherein we can check the household articles or the furnitures in the websites and then go to the shop and buy over there. So this is nothing but multi-channel. Yeah, the next one is cross-channel. So in cross-channel, what happens is we visit a website, we browse a product and do a research on it, and through mouth of words we spread it to our friends, so they go and purchase it. So this is called as a cross-channel. And the last one is omni-channel. So in omni-channel, what happens is we visit a website and do the product search based on the multiple options what we get in the website, and then we add to the cart, and in the delivery section we change the address. We can store a number of address over there, and in that we select the address over there, and in the checkout page we apply the voucher, and then we go to the cart, and in the delivery section we change the address. We can store a number of address over there, and in that we select the address over there, and in the checkout page we apply the voucher, and then we go to the payment page and place the order. In the payment page also we get a number of options, whether it is through the credit card, debit card, or the UPI. So all those options will be visible in it. So this is nothing but omni-channel. So the third topic is, why do we use Hybris? So for e-commerce websites, it is difficult to identify what tool and technology will work for each scenario. So this will result in kind of difficulty making each of these different technologies work together. So having said this, Hybris provides complete setup to build e-commerce websites. So in simple term, we can say to build e-commerce websites, we use Hybris. So the next topic is competitors of Hybris. So we have Oracle ATG, Magento, IBM WebSphere Commerce. So in this, Magento is an open source and rest two are the licensed versions. So coming to Hybris, it is not an open source. We need to have a license to install and run it. So the next topic is history of Hybris. So Hybris is a German company found in Zug, Switzerland in 1997. So this was found in 1997 in Switzerland. And then later on, August 1st, 2013, SAP acquired it. From then it is called as SAP Hybris. So this Hybris started becoming popular once SAP acquired it and allowed all its SAP solutions to integrate with it. So this is pretty much about history of the Hybris. So now we'll discuss about the language in which Hybris is written in. So Hybris is built on a Spring framework on Java, which uses the JDBC, JQ, Java, and the others. So we can say it is built on the Spring framework of Java, and it uses the JDBC, JQ, Java Query, Java, and the others. So it leverages all these things. And things to be known in Spring framework. So in order to work with Hybris, we should be having knowledge on AOP, Spring MVC, the high level Spring security, and then dependency injection. So these topics you should be familiar in order to work on Hybris. So if you have any doubts on these concepts, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be creating a separate video on this. So the next topic of discussion is latest version of Hybris. So I will be showing you the latest version of Hybris. So let me go to the SAP website. So I'm navigating to help.sap.com. In this portal, we can see the latest version of SAP Hybris. So if I click on this, here you can see the versions. This is 6.0.0. So previously the releases were in this format, the 6.0.0, 6.1.0 in this releases. And recently they have changed from 2018 onwards. Here you can see 1808, 1811, 1905, 2005, 2011, and 2105. So here the 18 says it is in year 2018, and this 19 with 2019 year, and the latest version currently in the market is 2105. So this is pretty much about the version of Hybris. So in Java, like how we create separate packages and then write the custom code, in the Hybris it provides an extension which will have all the out of the box features. We have to leverage it, and then based on the customer scenarios we have to customize it. So this is how we can use the Hybris suite and then build a website. So let me run you through some of the Hybris built websites and show you like how it looks like. So these are some of the Hybris built websites. So by using the Hybris suite, they would have built this particular websites. So currently we can see here the categories: women categories, handbags categories, men's category, and the sale category. In the men's, again we have all these categories. So let me click on one of the categories and show you like how it looks. So I've clicked on new arrivals. Here you can see the list of products. So basically this website has built on Hybris framework, wherein they have customized their logic according to their business needs, and then they have modified it. So here if I click on this product, here you can see the product ID. So these all details will be stored in the Hybris. So we retrieve it from Hybris DB and show up here. So this price will be dynamic in nature, as and then whenever there is change in price, this will get changed dynamically. And also you can see the sizes available for this particular shoes, Dwayne shoes, and also we have the side chart over here, the add to cart button, buy now button, and then in the pin code we can enter the pin code and check whether it can be delivered to that location or not. And also we have the product details. So this is nothing but the product details page for this particular product. What is the type, product type, the gender, the color, and the other information you can see. So these are some of the applications which are built on Hybris. As we saw, the latest version of Hybris is 2105. So for any e-commerce project, if we try to build it with Java, it would take roughly around, in general I'm saying, it would take around 6 to 8 months. If in case we use Hybris, it will take around 2 to 3 months, as it has all inbuilt functionality in it. So this is the main use of the Hybris. Yeah, that's it guys for this video. My upcoming videos will be more practical, wherein I explain through the code. So please stay tuned in. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.